الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters in the beautiful islands of the Maldives. You know what? I've been practicing on my Divahi and I have a short message to share with you all. Huriha befulunna bajaveri Eidaka edeng. A very, very happy Eid Mubarak to each and every one of you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless this day ahead of us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless the Ramadan that went past us. May He bless us with many more Ramadan in the future. May He bless each and every one of us. Ameen. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
في غمرة بهجتنا هنو يلا اللي تحبون في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي